Tubeless ready tire installation. Tools needed: tubeless ready tire, tubeless ready valve stem, tubeless ready tire sealant, valve core remover, air compressor or floor pump, clean rag. Step 1. Inspect the rim and rim tape for any cracks. Step 2. Remove the valve nut from the valve stem. Install the valve stem through the valve stem hole in a clockwise direction. Make sure the valve stem's rubber seal is seated securely in the valve stem hole on the rim bed. Install the valve nut back onto the valve stem. Hand tighten only. Step 3. Starting at the valve stem, install one bead of the tubeless ready tire into the center of the rim bed. Step 4. Option 1. Once one side of the tire is installed, begin installing the other bead starting at the valve stem. Stop when you have 2/3 of the second beam in the rim. Leave the remaining 1/3 to apply sealant. Use a container to measure the sealant manufacturer's recommended amount of tire sealant and pour the sealant into the tire. Rotate the tire slowly to allow the sealant to move to the closed side of the tire. Install the remaining 1/3 of the tire onto the rim. Use a tire lever if needed. Step 4. Option 2. Once one side of the tire is installed, begin installing the other bead starting at the valve stem. Try to keep both tire beads in the center of the rim for easier tire installation, and use the tire lever if needed. Remove the valve core with a valve core remover. Pour the manufacturer's recommended amount of tire sealant into the bottle and inject the sealant into the valve. Reinstall the valve core. Step 5. Inflate the tire with an air compressor or a floor pump. You may hear large popping sounds when inflating. This is the sound of the tire being seated into the rim. Check and make sure the valve is tightened. Step 6. Place the wheel horizontally. Shake the wheel gently so that the sealant is evenly distributed across the entire rim. Flip the wheel over and repeat. Lay the wheel on a flat surface for 5 minutes. Flip the wheel and let it rest for another 5 minutes. Step 7. Inflate the tire to the desired air pressure indicated by the tire manufacturer. Step 8. Check the seating on the tire to make sure the tire is properly seated on the rim. The seating should be even across the entire wheel. If it is not, release some air in the tire and massage the tire to have it seat properly. You have now successfully installed a tire on your tubeless ready wheel.